An exclusive brand with singular inspirations. This is how we can define the Ferdinand Berthoud house. On the occasion of Watches and Wonders, it was a passionate and fascinating Karl-Friedrich Scheufele who welcomed us and recalled the inspirations of his exceptional timepieces, which are part of the continuity of the work of this genius history-making watchmaker.
Je suis très fier de vous présenter cette magnifique horloge marine réalisée par Ferdinand Berthoud en 1775.
I'm very proud to present this magnificent marine clock made by F. Berthoud in 1775. It's a piece that's part of a small production of 21 pieces at the time. This is number 14, and most of these pieces are in museums today, and we're proud to have been able to carry out a restoration which lasted for months, and today for the first time this item is again in operation. It's a very big personal passion, of course, and it's the inspiration for Berthoud pieces today.
À titre personnel, bien entendu, et c'est l'inspiration pour les pièces Berthoud d'aujourd'hui.
Hand-wound mechanical movement, constant force tourbillon with fusée chain transmission. Visible through a porthole, here we find the attributes of a contemporary Berthoud. This new FB RSM chronometer, directly inspired by the marine clock, thanks to which Ferdinand Berthoud obtained his precious title of clockmaker mechanic to the king and the navy, is now distinguished by the appearance of deadbeat seconds.
Cette année, on s'est inspiré d'une horloge marine numéro 8 qui se trouve dans un musée à Paris.
This year we were inspired by the Marine Clock No. 8, which is in a museum in Paris. On the dial, we find the architecture of such a piece. The most important is undoubtedly the seconds. You see the seconds in the center. The hour indication is done here on a disc that's half or one-third hidden, and the minutes here at noon. And this case, which is round in shape, exists in parallel in an octagonal case, which we launched first. So today, there are these two types of cases which coexist.
Octogonal que nous avons lancé en premier. Donc aujourd'hui, il y a ces deux types de boîtiers qui coexistent.
Whatever the case, the aesthetic codes specific to Berthoud remain unchanged, whether it concerns the screws or even the crown. Also equipped with a balance wheel stop, which allows the tourbillon to be stopped when setting the time to the exact second. This FBRSM chronometer displays its power reserve of around 50 hours on the back, as the symbol of reliability so dear to Ferdinand Berthoud.
Le mot clé, c'est la chronométrie. D'ailleurs, en signe de cadran.
The key word is chronometry. Moreover, we sign the dial Chronométrie Ferdinand Berthoud. So it's precision, and it's precision over time. So reliability, because at sea there were no excuses, there was no watchmaker, it had to work, and for months. This is the key, the very essence of a Berthoud.
Que ça fonctionne, et pendant des mois. La clé, l'essence même d'une Berthoud, c'est ça.
Available in white, pink or yellow gold, this FB RSM chronometer will be offered in a very limited edition.
On ne fera que 20 mouvements.
We'll only make 20 movements of this type altogether, regardless of the case. So it's still extremely rare and exclusive watches.
Extrêmement rare et exclusif.
Works of art just as fascinating as the Marine Clock No. 8, property of Louis XV, now kept at the Conservatoire National des Arts et Métiers in Paris.